Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can write a program to count the number of a list in a given list. So basically what I want to tell you, like for example, in this particular list, I have two nested lists. So I want to write a program to find the count of the nested list, in particular main list. So before going to start, please like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, so let's start. So how we can check? For that, I'm going to use the list comprehension concept. So because of that only I'm taking one variable L equals to, then for each element in my list. For each element in my list, what I want to do, I want to check how many nested lists is present. So for that element comma, then I'm using list. Don't worry, I will tell you entire thing. And here I'm going to use the isInstant function, which is provided by the Python only. And isInstant object is used to check whether the given object is that one is or not. So for example, for that we have a keyword isInstance. This is the keyword, and how it's work, let me show you. See, here I have written list. So this list is nothing but the fixed keyword, like either you can write list, tuple, set, this kind of things only. And why I have written list here? Because I'm working with the list and I want to check whether the items is the list or not. So if it is the list data type, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let me show you. Let me print L. Let me run. See, it's returning 2 times true because we have a nested list 2 times and these are not going to treat as a list. So this isInstance is used to check whether the given item is the type of list or not. So because of that only I have written list. For example, if you are working with the tuple or set, at that time you can use either tuple or set here. But in this particular scenario, I'm working with the list and I want to check whether that nested content is the list or not. So because of that only I have written list, and this is the item which is I'm taking from this list only. So it's returning true. And what is my requirement? I need to find the count of the nested list. So basically what I can do, I can find the sum of this isInstant, and this isInstant is nothing but the like true means 1 and again true means 1. So 1 and 1, 2. So it will return the count of the true, and the count of true is nothing but the our count of the nested list. Let me run and show you. See. So this is how you can write a program to count the number of a sub list in the main list. So I hope you are getting this problem. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.